deadly brain-eating amoeba is slowly but surely expanding its footprint in the US. These infections have historically occurred in the southern United States, but cases have been appearing further north in recent years, and it is most likely because of climate changes. Researchers from the Center of Disease Control and Prevention or CDC examined cases of this brain-eating amoeba known as the Naegleria fowleri over a 4-decade period in the US. N. fowleri is a single-celled organism that's naturally found in warm freshwaters like lakes and rivers. It causes a devastating brain infection which is known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, or commonly referred to as PAM, which is almost universally fatal and would cause death. Infections generally occur when contaminated water goes up a person's nose, allowing the organism to enter the brain through the olfactory nerves, which is responsible for your sense of smell and destroys the brain tissues. On the other hand, swallowing contaminated water will not cause an infection, the CDC have confirmed. Because N. fowleri thrives in warm waters up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, it's possible that warming global temperatures may affect the organism's geographic range. In a recent study published on 16th of December, N. fowleri linked to recreational water exposures like swimming pools, lakes, ponds or rivers have been analyzed from 1978 to 2018. Of the vast majority of cases reported, 74 occurred in the southern United States and 6 in the Midwest, and out of these 6, 5 occurred after 2010. This led the researchers to identify that the maximum latitude had shifted about 8.2 miles northwards per year during the study period. Efforts to categorize PAM cases, such as knowing when and where these cases will occur and being aware of changes in the geographical range, could help predict when it is the riskiest period to visit natural swimming holes. There is no rapid test for N. fowleri in water, so the only way sure to prevent this infection is to avoid swimming in warm fresh water. Unfortunately, if you need to go swimming in warm fresh water, you can try to avoid having water go up your nose by holding your nose closed, using nose clips, or keeping your head above water.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment in both YouTube and Facebook. The channel needs your support to grow. Thank you.